What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to show you guys how I achieved this very popular braid style that's going around at the moment. Some people call them Ket braids, treble braids, Fulani braids, 2 layers. There's a few different names that this style could be called, but you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about at the end of this video. So the items that I use are in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out to see exactly what it is that I used today. I'm not doing a very detailed video, but it is a step-by-step of how I achieve this style. Now, this is my very first time at achieving this look, so I want you guys to go ahead and drop a comment below letting me know how you guys think I did on this braid style. If you would like to see a more detailed video on how I do my feedins, go ahead and drop that in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get that video out to you guys. So I'm not going to ramble on the entire video. I'm going to let you all enjoy. It's pretty straight to the point, but if you do have any questions, concerns, requests, or comments, go ahead and drop them down below. Of course, I'll give you that response. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video as well as subscribe to my channel.
Won't sleep in your bed last. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell her perfume. Nigga, I don't fuck with you. I'ma drink one, I'ma smoke some. Keep it moving, it was nice to know ya. Boy, watch me leave your ghost to me. Have a good time being lonely. I'ma push red every time you phone me. You're about to be a memory, yeah. Bet she doesn't touch like me. Sure as hell don't fall like me. No comparison, now she don't. Ain't gon' whip it up like me, nah. She ain't got a recipe, yeah. No comparison, now she don't. Met him in a club, all our groupies showing love. I wanna party with a thug, I'm just trying to show you love. VIP, we got it packed, this is where the party at. You're the one I wanna know, so tell me how it's supposed to go. You said meet me in Miami, never been on a check, girl, don't you panic. Get used to the whips and the mansions. You know I was a thick t-shirt and penny. We at the club together, tip the dancers. Might grab a couple if they really attractive. I can give it classy, I can give romantic. It's all up to you, what you wanna do. I used to love them, leave them. Boys on boundary, think I'ma keep them. Pull up with the wagon, Jeep up. While we live in lavish, so pick your feet up. All I wanna do is get away with you. Oh, you want me at hello, what's up? What we gonna do when we leave this club? Oh, and I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah. Oh, no, I'll never get over you. Something new that get me high like you do. And my heart go bottom, boot up, miri darum, boot up. And my heart go bottom, boot up, miri darum. It just won't stop, it go bottom, boot up, miri darum, miri darum. It just won't stop, it go. Running back from my day job, running back to the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. Never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, cause don't ever take me. I've been enough of petty dues. I've heard enough of shitty news. I've been in love with dirty shoes. Since I was 10, I love dirty men alive. No, better day than yesterday. I just take it day by day. Oh. can mess with a real one. You're one in a million. Don't let a lot of people in, but you get a mission. And I don't let my walls down, but I see us building. You ain't a feeling, and that's what I'm feeling. You make me wanna put my phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zoom now. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. And I'm just trying to let you know now. Facts. You were the one I was missing, the opposite of fiction, and that's facts. Next, yeah. Oh, it's a given. I don't want no opinion. That's facts. Facts. And that's facts. That's facts. You are the one I was missing. Even when you're not here, you get all of my time. Sweeter than a number 9 with a large sunrise. Every nigga in my past hit me with that crossfire. Now you're shooting to my crib like it was a drive-by. I can't get you off of my, out of my mind. I'm saying stop playing, boy, you out of line. Couldn't erase these feelings even if I tried. You stay on my mind. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Hey, you stay on my mind. Late at night, I'm child. You stay on my mind. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. Yes, don't shed tears, but boy, they ball when I'm thinking about you. Nah, nah, nah. Thinking about you, you know. Thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Facts. You are the one I was missing. 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Oh, it's a given. I don't want no opinion. Do you not? Do you not? Do you not?
So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do appreciate you watching, and see you next time.